I'm Anil Nagpal, based out of Mumbai. By profession, I'm into real estate business and I've been here for quite a few years, settled in Mumbai. Earlier, I was abroad. Currently, my age is 60, but my metabolic age is that of a 35-year-old. Initially, I went whole food plant based in the year 2016 for health reasons basically. And having overcome my health issues by opting for this lifestyle, then I became aware of the cruelty involved on the animals. And I was ignorant all these years. Being a vegetarian, I used to consume dairy products. So I gave up on those. I gave up on my leather products, which I came to know about the torture inflicted on the animals. So I became vegan from January 2017.
Can you talk about your health condition and disease you are having and how were you able to overcome those?
Yes, if you ask me, I had health issues from childhood itself. I used to have very frequent colds and coughs. I had a surgery for tonsils. My tonsils were removed, and I used to take strong medications to suppress my colds and cough. But having grown up during my younger days, I overcame all these issues. My immunity increased, and then I left for abroad for my career prospects. And there, since there were no pollution issues, the quality of air was good, lifestyle was good. I did not have any health issues. When I returned back to India in the year 1999, my health issues also returned with me. I consulted a lot of doctors in Mumbai, but none of them were able to help me. I tried homeopathy, allopathy, everything literally.
Which health issues
I
overcome?
had a lot of cough because of the pollution. I was advised to leave Mumbai, saying that this atmosphere doesn't suit you. The pollution here, the weather doesn't suit you. I should move to another smaller city. But then I met a doctor who could help me overcome this. But that was at a cost. He put me on steroids for 2 years, and then which led me to have high cholesterol levels, high blood pressure. Like for every illness, there was a pill prescribed to me. And then subsequently, last and final, they were told me there are formation of kidney stones is taking place. That is when I said I should take charge of my health.
And how precisely did the plant-based diet help you with your disease to overcome?
Yes, the plant based diet worked very well for me. Like initially, when I was diagnosed with diabetes, type 2 diabetes, I was prescribed a very small dose of 2 mg, and the doctor said it's very common. Every second person has type 2 diabetes, nothing to worry. And it was only suppressing my symptoms, it was not curing me, my diabetes. The moment I gave up dairy products, after a month when I went for my regular follow up and checkup, the doctor was very pleased with my report. He said, why don't we try to reduce your medication, the morning dosage by half for a month on a trial basis. If the sugar levels go up, we'll again bring the dosage back to the present one. I said, I don't mind. But then subsequent month, even the night dosage was reduced to half. I knew I was on the right track. And it was not very difficult. Being a vegetarian, I just had to give up dairy products. And that wouldn't harm me as such. And within a span of 4 months, all my medications were stopped. I was medicine free from January 1st, 2017. a small change which I was not aware of, which when I came to know, I implemented it and it worked wonders for me.
And also, can you talk about any side effects you possibly may have brought due to all the medications you took?
Yes, my energy levels were pretty low. I have in my business it was a field job, but having attended one customer and back to office, I used to be exhausted. I used to feel very tired. Like at the end of the day, if I do two visits or two appointments, if I attend to clients and come, I would require a crocin or a dolo. I used to have symptoms like I'm getting fever. I used to be very tired. But all that changed dramatically. My energy levels soared over the roof, having gone vegan and making these lifestyle changes on my diet. It made a lot of difference to me. Like even if I don't consume one meal a day also, I can still finish all my commitments by end of the day and I'm not tired.